Hey guys, George here. This is the CARBIDE Series 275R. It's our newest mid-tower case and it has a really clean and minimalist design, and it has a full tempered side panel glass window so you can see all the cool components that you decided to put in your build. The 275R has an amazingly simple internal layout that makes it easy to build a great looking PC. It has direct airflow path cooling to ensure cool air gets across all of your hottest components. There's tons of space for various cooling options, up to a 360mm radiator in the front, up to a 240mm up top, and a 120 in the rear. To keep the inside of your PC looking as clean as the outside, we have a PSU shroud and tons of cable routing options. When it comes to storage, the 275R has some really great options. 4 2.5-inch drive trays for SSDs and 2 3.5-inch drive trays for hard drives. And all of those drive trays are made out of metal for extra ruggedness and durability. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.0 ports, and the front panel features soft accent lighting to give your rig a little touch of class. The 275R is a great mid-tower, whether you're building your first or your 50th PC. It has tons of cooling options, great expansion opportunity, and good connectivity, and it looks amazing whether you get the white version or the black version. Thanks for watching. Check out Corsair.com for more information.
We launched a new line of MasterBoxes, improving on every aspect that made the previous generation so amazing. Sitting at the top of this new series is the MB530P, packing premium features for those who love the look of addressable RGB and glass. This thing is a standalone showroom for your components, setting the glass stage for your beautiful build. 3 tempered glass panels make the component look great from any angle, especially when paired with the 3 included ARGB fans, and even the lead power button for good measure. Control of the lighting theme of your build is either done through the included controller, yes, it's included in the box, or straight from your motherboard if you're into having complete control. There is a partial seal print on the right tempered glass side panel that hides all the cable coming out from the power supply, and if you pair this feature with the use of the included metal cable cover, you can achieve a perfect cable routing without any effort. Cable management is always going to be on point, whether you hide it or you show it off with beautiful custom sleeved extensions. Inside the MB530P you'll find high-quality rubber grommets, foolproof zip tie points, and smartly placed openings to reach your motherboard and components easily. This case is also 100% water cooling ready with 360mm radiator support in the front and 240mm support on top. For more information, you can find
The most common question when it comes to PC building is always the same. Where do I start? Building your own computer for the first time can often be an intimidating task, so we've gone through the trouble of making that experience a little less scary. Introducing the next level, the Level 20 MT. Complemented with a tempered glass front and side panel, the MT offers a gorgeous view of your internals and is highly durable if the worst should happen. Inside the case you'll find 3 ARGB case fans, adding much needed RGB goodness to your system, allowing your personality to fully shine through. And before you ask, the MT doesn't compromise on airflow. Air travels through the 2 cavities in the front of the case and is expelled out the back by the rear intake fan, ensuring the interior is kept cool and quiet. The MT supports radiators on both the top and front of the case, the defining feature being that you can side mount your radiator to give your build that extra bit of flair. The case also comes with a handy power supply cover to give the interior an unclean finish and a perfect place to hide all those unwanted cables. When it comes to storage, we've added plenty of space to add your hard drives and SSDs. The MT also comes fully equipped with the latest I/O, including an ARGB controller, allowing to switch between different color presets and lighting modes. So in the end, the Level 20 MT is the end result of nearly 20 years of Thermaltake's ingenuity and experimentation. It's the case that delivers on all fronts and provides that very first step into the world of PC building. So, are you ready for the next level?